Hello kids! Do you want to play Langit Lupa? Okay, by the way, what is Langit Lupa? Langit Lupa is a twist on a running around game where one is considered taya or untouchable if they are in an elevated place. The taya then chants a rhyme, and at the end of it, everyone must run to a new elevated position while avoiding being tagged by the taya. Nature. Langit Lupa is a popular street game in the Philippines, often played by children in open spaces such as playground, backyards, and streets. The game is part of Filipino folk culture and is played across various regions in the country, reflecting the communal and playful spirit of Filipino childhood. The game's name and basic rules hint at a simple yet imaginative form of play where the concepts of heaven or langit and earth as lupa create a dynamic environment for the players. The main goal of Langit Lupa is to avoid being tagged by the taya by standing on elevated areas or the langit and to safely run around ground level areas or the lupa. For the number of players, Langit Lupa can be played by at least 3 players, but it is more enjoyable with a larger group. For equipment, no special equipment is needed, just a space with distinguishable elevated areas such as benches and other objects that you can step on so that it's considered as heaven or langit. For the mechanics of the game Langit Lupa, first, choosing the it player or taya, the game starts with a chant to choose the it player. The chant goes,
Langit lupa impyerno, impyerno, saksak puso tulong luto, patay, buhay, umalis ka na dyan.
As the chant is recited, the players point to different players or places. At the end of the chant, whoever is pointed at last becomes the it player. The players may choose other ways in identifying their taya like jack and poy or bato-bato pick, humpiang and sausaw suka or siko. For the second, starting the game, the taya stands in the middle of the play area while the other players spread out to find elevated areas or objects that can elevate them. Players can stay on elevated areas or the langit to avoid being tagged but must leave. These areas can be in second depending in their agreement. Thirdly, tagging. Taya chants, Langit lupa impyerno, impyerno. Saksak puso tulo ang dugo, patay, buhay, umalis ka dyan. Fourthly, at the end of the chant, everyone must run to new positions and the taya must tag someone. The tagged player now becomes the taya. Fifth, winning the game. Langit Lupa does not have a definite end as it can be played continuously. The game is often played until the players decide to stop or move on to another activity. Variations. In some versions, there may be additional rules about how long players can stay on langit before they have to touch the ground again. The boundaries and specific elevated areas can be defined by the players before starting the game.